Black Buffalo. Wow, I like the name. What did it? Building a house? Wow.
Это просто они подают смесь.
Should have bring you fajitas. It's not to make any mess.
I'm head of marketing and strategy at Black Buffalo 3D. We're the manufacturer of the machine you see behind me, and we also own the formula to the ink that's printing out. That's cement-based. We sell and educate developers and builders on how to use the technology so that they're able to create homes like this one in around 15 hours of print time. They don't have to stop. The architectural drawing is basically converted into digital. It goes into a custom computer program that tells them how much material they need, how much print time, and then it gets loaded into the machine. Typically we would have around 4 people on the job site, but this is actually a live training that we're doing also for the company that bought this.
Yeah.
So we have a bunch of people walking around.
Yeah.
But you know, hopefully you start seeing projects in Guyana really soon with it.
So,
Yes.
So with a 100% capacity speed, how long would this take?
In the US, we're limited on speed. In Guyana, you're not. So we can probably get it down to around 10 hours.
10 hours.
Wow,
Because
that's
we're actually building right now.
Yeah.
They should have been here like a year ago.
Yeah, it takes a long time, and then people don't show
guys,
up, and
this
you're
is
still
very,
waiting
very
for
interesting. It's very
everything else.
fascinating. It's actually my first time,
Very quickly.
and I've got the opportunity to see this at the Building Expo 2022 in Guyana.
Yeah, that would be awesome.
Subscribe, you're gonna see it.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
Enjoy the rest of the trip.
Yeah, you too.
Jason, nice to meet you. Peter. Yeah, happy to see you.
Nice meeting you, Priscilla.
That's BJ Vlog.
Yeah, Jason and Priscilla.
I'll check it out later.
Yeah.
Thank you, man.
Thanks.
Some kids died.
Guys, that was Peter, and he had a lot to say and explain about what was going on back there. I don't know what it's called, but Jason knows what it is.
3D printer.
It's a 3D printer.
Constructing a home.
Building like 3D walls for a home. Yeah, but you guys are gonna see more in this vlog. It's very interesting, so keep on watching.